Content writing is the most time consuming aspect of running a website. But what if AI could write it for you? So, are we entering a world where artificial intelligence can write just as well as humans? The short answer is yes. AI writing tools like Jasper can help you write faster, more SEO optimized content at scale. But is that content any good? So that's why in this video I'll go over the complete Jasper review. So what I think about the features, the dashboard, the user experience, the pricing model, and exactly what I think about, I'll show you exactly how to use it. So let's get into the topic for today. Jasper is an AI writing tool that consider itself to be the future of content writing. You know, blog post writing, e-commerce writing, ad writing, email writing, anything that you need to write online can be done with the help of AI. So it uses machine learning and algorithms to create content for you, and it's used by a number of big companies. So this is the website of Jasper, and here as you can see it's rated 5 out of 5 stars in 3000 plus reviews. So you can just check this in Trustpilot, G2 websites. And here as you can see, so Jasper has been used by Airbnb, Google, Autodesk, HarperCollins. So these are all big companies in which Jasper has been used. So talking about the pricing, so there are 3 plans. One is the starter, then boss mode, and this is business. So when you talk about the starter plan, here as you can see, so here up to 20k words. So the plan starts at $29 per month. Okay, and here as you can see there are like 50 plus AI templates, support for 20 plus languages, chat support. The only thing is the long form editor, it's available in the boss mode. Okay, and here as you can see the boss mode starts from $59 per month. Okay, and depending on your requirements of the words per month, so it changes accordingly. So you can check it here by dragging it. Okay, so if you want 300,000 words, so it's $279 per month, and there is a custom plan for businesses also, and they have this free trial which is available for 5 days. You can definitely check this out. So now let's go into the dashboard of Jasper and let's see how it performs. So this is the dashboard of Jasper. So here as you can see you can watch videos. So if you are new to Jasper, you can just check out these videos, getting started videos, and there is also Jasper Bootcamp where they teach exactly how to use Jasper. Okay, so now next going to the templates here. So here there are multiple options here. So here in the framework section you get the AIDA framework, then PS framework, then multiple frameworks are here. And going to the email section, here as you can see personalized cold emails, then email subject lines. And in the website section you can see content improver, perfect headlines, then you have company bio, feature to benefits. Then in the blog section you get blog post topic ideas, then blog post outline, then blog post intro paragraph, then we have conclusion. And in the ad section here as you can see it's Facebook ads headline, then Facebook ad primary text, Google ads. And in the e-commerce section you can see this Amazon product features, then Amazon product description. Then in the social media, that's creative story, photo post caption here, then personal bio, Quora answers. And in the new one you can see this is like explain it to child. And then we have this Google My Business offer post, Quora answers, text summarizer. There are multiple options. Then in this Google section you get Google Ads description, Google My Business product description. And in the video section you get video topic ideas, video script outline. Then we have this video titles, video description for YouTube. And in the SEO section you can see here blog post, then home page, product page. So for this video what we are going to do is we are just going to go into the boss mode, and I'll show you exactly how you can create an article. And before that, I'll just show you what's in the recipe here. So this is available only in the boss mode. So here, as you can see, this is cold email, blog post, the idea factory, Facebook ads. So I'll just open blog post and I'll show you what's exactly the recipe here. So recipe is basically an outline where you have to just copy paste this, and accordingly you can create your content. So this is basically the outline, you can use it. So I'll just click on run here. So as you can see, this one is a predefined template. You just have to fill the basic details and the article will be created by Jasper. So for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on template and I'm going to go on document here. So what I'll do is there are two options here. One is start from scratch and one is blog post workflow. So this is basically Jasper will guide us in writing the article. So I'll click this one. So let's say this one is the new blog post here, and you need to describe exactly for like what topic you need. So I'll just like how to lose weight fast. Okay, and here what you need to do is you have to just enter the keywords, or you can keep it optional here. So I'll just click on continue, and here you just have to click on generate ideas. So here, as you can see, how to lose weight fast, you get the titles here. I'll use one of those, and once that is done, so this is the intro paragraph here. So I'll just click on generate ideas. So yeah, as you can see, there are two options here. So if you are looking to lose weight fast, you have come to the right place. In this blog post we will discuss, so this one is good. I'll just use this one. So once everything is done, you just have to click on open editor. So now this is the main editor here. As you can see, this is the title and this is the intro paragraph here. So there are two modes here. One is the focus mode and one is the power mode. Okay, so basically I'll be using the power mode in this video. So I'll just click on power mode, and here, as you can see, the paragraph is already there. And here, as you can see, you can use multiple options here. So for this one, I'll just use blog post outline. And here, as you can see, how to lose weight fast, the ultimate guide. And here, as you can see, you just have to enter the blog post title here. Okay, and it will automatically create this outline here. So I'll just copy this one and I'll just place it here. Okay, so outline has been created. So next you have to click on paragraph generator. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this one. Okay, so this is the first point here, and you have to enter the keyword here, lose weight here. Okay, so you can also adjust the tone of voice like friendly. So I'll just write it friendly here. Okay, and once that is done, so you just have to click on generate AI content. So before that, you can just select the output also, like how many outputs you want for this paragraph here. I'll just select one and generate AI content. So as you can see, this is the paragraph which is generated. Water is essential for our bodies to function properly. It helps to digest. And so I'll just copy this one. You can just click on copy here, and you just need to paste it here. Okay, so for the first point, I'll give it the H2 heading here. Okay, so if you need to link anything, you can just add a link here. If you need to insert images, you can add it here. Okay, so now we will go to the next point here. First, I'll just give it a H2 heading, and I'll just copy it here. Eat breakfast every day. Okay, so keyword to include will be lose weight only. So that's what we are like writing the article for. I'll just click on generate AI content. So this has been generated. I'll just copy paste this one here. So similarly, what you can do is you can just write the entire article in no time. So here, as you can see, in within 2 minutes I have already written this around 330 words article. So similarly you can write a 2000 word article in less than 15 minutes. Okay, so once this outlines is done, so what you need to do is you can use the conclusion here, blog post conclusion. So it's very important, like you need to mention like the main points or the outline of the blog. So what I have mentioned, it's important to follow the mention tabs to lose weight fast. Okay, you can also add call to action here. So for this video I'll just skip it here and I'll click the outputs to 1 only. Also you can just change the output length also, so small, medium, and that's longer. So I've just selected medium one. So once this is done, you just need to copy this one. So this is the conclusion here, it's 2. So this is the conclusion here. So once you click on document here you'll be able to see like all the documents which you have generated. Now let's check out something else also. So I'll select the Quora answers here. Okay, so you just have to enter the question here. Like I already mentioned the question, how to lose weight fast. So here you need to mention like exactly what you need to include in the answer, that is workout and diet. Okay, so you can just select the tone of voice also. So that is done. You can select the number of outputs you want. I'll select 1 and click on generate AI content. So this is the answer. The best way to lose weight quickly is through a combination of diet and exercise. So the quality of answers, the quality of output you get from Jasper is very good. It's very good compared to other AI writers available in the market. So there you go guys, Jasper is really awesome AI writing tool and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails, and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Jasper, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.